Oh, hi. I'm Thom, WCLS Youth Services Manager. Have you ever noticed that the music you listen to while you cook changes the flavor of your food? I have always thought that was true, but it feels especially important these days while we're all busy digging around our cupboards looking for something to eat. Today I'm making a delicious homemade pasta. I've got some crushed Italian tomatoes, some pickle chips, about half a tub of chocolate hazelnut spread, and a handful of stale blue jelly beans. I haven't made this recipe before, so I thought I'd fire up Freegal, Whatcom County's free streaming music service, just for some inspiration. Let's see how it goes.
Mystery of life at last I found
Pretty good.
thee.